Is your Amazon Echo Dot Kit 5th Gen stuck on a purple spinning or solid light during setup or showing up randomly? If you're wondering what it means and how to fix it, let's go ahead and see. Now, if it stays idle for more than 5 minutes during setup, this light can appear. This can also show up due to network connectivity issues, even when the device randomly goes offline for a while. Now, if it appears during setup, let's try a cold boot first. Unplug the device, wait around 5 minutes, and then plug it back in, check it into setup mode once again. The light won't show up again. If it shows up randomly and the device is offline or showing a connection issue, press continue on your Alexa app and then select setup device. Next, let's put the device in the setup mode by press and hold the action button until the yellow light appears. On the Alexa app, just press continue and then follow the on-screen prompts one after another and complete the whole setup process. And once you finish the setup process, the purple light should no longer appear. That's it. Thanks for your time.